This is our two-day showcase, which is a celebration of data science research and software engineering at the University of Bristol, set within the community of the city. If you're interested in data science, in ethics, in business, in the natural world, everyone can come down and find something that's of interest to them.
This is really important for the public to be able to see some of the work being done in these areas and to be able to feed into the actual research processes.
So as a human geneticist, we need data to function, and we've been really lucky in my field that technology has underpinned and boosted the work that we've done. We've been collecting information and data on participants who are from the city of Bristol for 30 years. There's a huge amount of data relevant for healthcare and for well-being, and we're really excited about sitting at the interface between the collection of those data and their analysis.
I work closely with colleagues in relation to making sure that our university research institutes thrive and do really important, globally significant research, and Jean Golding is one of the jewels in our crown.
Because I've been working with data, trying to understand patterns in human behaviour for about a decade or so, what I wanted to do today was just to share with you some of my favourite data stories that I've sort of collected over that time.
We have here a number of exhibits which demonstrate the work that the researchers at the University of Bristol do. We've got interactive displays, we've got virtual reality, we've got artwork created by our artists in residence. We've also got talks by international scholars. We've got Hannah Fry, Neil Lawrence, and many speakers from the University of Bristol, including early career researchers. So it's great to be able to give them this kind of pedestal for them to be able to share their work.
And if AI isn't going to be a tool for us, then I think we are becoming the tool of AI. And that's what Echoborg was really talking about last night, wasn't it? I mean, whether we're aware of it or not, the extent to which we're being driven by these decisions that are taking place in the background.
I'm not even sure if I have a self. What do you think?
I think you have a self.
I Am Echoborg is a piece which is about showing what AI is possible to be, but also about what people think AI is.
And often it will try and provoke the audience with quite provocative thoughts about the relationship between humans and intelligent machines.
Data science and AI is becoming increasingly important to us as an organisation. We need to start thinking, right, how can we do things very differently that will help the future of statistics at ONS?
Having worked in the interface between research and commercial, this has been hugely successful. We've been able to develop this relationship. We've been able to grow our team that's based within the university.
We're learning all the time, building that bridge between business and academia. From a personal perspective, I just love some of the stuff that's getting done. I just want to meet some of the people, see some of the things, and turn the handle on the cranky machine outside.
There is an interesting kind of little game out there where you have to kind of thread what do you use in terms of social media, and encourage you to go and spot my thread which says I don't use it, and then what are the concerns you have. And I think I was the first one that someone pointed out that said surveillance.
We can't really afford to wait for some of the challenges that these technologies are creating in our society. And we're all aware of issues, say, around social media, fake news. I do believe those challenges will be resolved eventually, but we're trying to accelerate that process as rapidly as possible.
I think this is one of those things where we genuinely are world leading. I think it's an enormous benefit to the country as a whole.